Hurry up! We don't want to miss the train. Is Grandma waiting already?
Faster! The train won't wait for dreamers.
But dreams are faster than trains. Wow, it looks like a moving house.
It's carrying stories just like us.
This seat has the best view.
Every seat is the best when we're together. Look, the world is moving.
Or maybe we are. Careful, it's still warm.
It tastes like home already. Do they know us?
No, but kindness doesn't need introductions.
It's been too long.
She'll be smiling the moment she sees you.
The sky is crying.
No, it's just welcoming us gently.
Do you think Grandma will like this?
She'll treasure it forever.
Tea always tastes better on journeys.
Because time slows down.
Are we close?
Close enough to feel her hugs already.
Will she still be awake?
For us, always. Next stop, home.
Smell that?
It smells like Grandma's cooking.
This road hasn't changed.
Some things never should. There it is!
We're home.
You took your time.
We brought all our love with us.
My home feels alive again because you are our home.
Eat, eat. You must be tired. No, we're finally at peace.